Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is March 5th, 2024, and it is Tuesday, the second trading day of this week. Tomorrow and Thursday we will have the high impact news or medium impact news. Fed Chair Jerome Powell, he will speak in front of US Congress, so let's see. And we are in the week 10 of 2024, and CPI data release will be next Tuesday, March 12th, right there. So we watch for how the markets set up liquidity for next week. And the week after the CPI gonna be the FOMC meeting right now. Alright, let's see what the volume for pre-market today. 732 something is not big. For the pre-markets, it have to be around 1 million to be a big volume. But anyway, today it dropped $5.12. It's 1% right there. That's a huge drop. Alright, let's see how we digest this. Okay, so this morning we have a huge gap down right here, $2, right? $2. Here's the 5-minute chart that we exclude the extended trading hour, basically the pre-market hour and after market hour. We exclude them. In Thinkorswim you have an option you exclude them. We not show them. So that's where we see the huge gap for today. You see the huge gap right there? It's $2.06 right there. It's open. It opened just below the gap, and then it's go into the gap a little bit. It not refill at all. Go up a little bit at 10, and then boom, it's sell off right there. So that's it today right there. It's sell off. Yeah, we need to put a quarter around here. Tuesday, yeah, 9:30. But anyway, this also 5-minute chart, but we have includes the pre-market hour, and we divide into quarter for the AM, New York AM and New York PM right here. So for the AM we divide into 4 quarters. Start right here at 6, quarter 2 7:30, quarter 3 start 9, and quarter 4 start about 10:30. We have at least 3 beautiful setup. Yeah, 3 beautiful, and we mix this. We could execute them. It need more practice. We need to improve our psychological psychological skill sets to execute them. Right here, the setup right here. So when we watch in real time, we saw this level right here. It's high time frame level on 1 hour time frame. So right here. So when we see So this level is failure gap H1, failure gap 1 hour time frame. Here is right here. You see the failure gap right there? That's the level that we anticipate it will bounce after it hit that level, and it did. You see right there. You see the hold on. The first right here, right, is the bullish breaker right here. Bullish breaker and the failure gap. You see that failure gap right there? That purple failure gap right there. Failure gap low for the, in this case. And when it's retest, it will retracement, right? It will retracement at that failure gap, and it did happen. So right there is level right here. As soon as it hit that level, it tests at 9:35, test again, 55, test again, 10 minutes test again, 9:50, and then it start retracement. So we almost tried to go in right here, but we couldn't pull a trigger. So the setup gonna be a 4 breakout. We treat this as 4 breakout, and we trade the retracement right here. The target for it is right there at a bearish breaker. In the down move, we have a bearish breaker right here, and we have a failure gap when it break that breaker, and it just retest. So for retracement, we have to target this level right there. Let's take a look at the screenshot we take in the real time. Yeah, right here. So basically we take in a real time, we aim for this, but eventually it reached this target 1040 right there. So right here we have 1 2 3. If we let it run, it will hit this target. This is the breaker right there. So basically when we watch a real time, we show right there, test this level at failure gap high time frame 509.56. That's 1 2 the 3, and right here it gonna retrace, it gonna bounce. Right, it open touch above that, and it test the low. We almost pull a trigger to put a buy stop here, but we tell ourselves, oh no, don't try to catch a falling knife. But next time we just look at the risk reward and take it, not worry about, right? You never know. You never know what the market gonna go. You have to based on risk reward and take the trade. Yeah, if we took this trade, it's gonna turn out really good for right there. So it's just 4 breakout short long setup, and we put a buy stop right here at 509.56. Right here, right there. So we just aim right here, but let's say if we will let it run. So basis right here up until the breaker level right there. So we get 82, Yeah, on the swing side we got 56, and now it go to 82. And how much we reach right there with only 15 cents, the low of this candle, 15 cents. And we got 82, 15, 82. So it's 1 to 4. Yeah, it's more than 1 to 4, but let's go with 1 to 4 right there. So basically it will be 1 to 4. 82 divide 15. Yeah, 1 to 5 ratio, it will let it run right there. And on this level, at 1 to 5 right there. Yep. Okay, then let's fix this target here. Yep. So yeah, 15. Yep. $55, 9.55 right there. Yeah, we watched them. We saw this test around this level. So it got give a very high quality setup right there. So it's gonna be a full breakout. Come on, set up and put in a buy stop order when it hit below that level 509. Because we look on the 1 hour time frame, we see that it hit the fair gap right there, the breaker and fair gap. So it's a retest right there. It will bounce. So on high time frame, it's a setup that breaker fair gap retest. That's where it hit into right there at 509. So it gives us the reason to trade at this level, because it's one of the key level on high time frame. So it gives us a more reliable right there. Or we can go in at this level also on the low time frame 409.76. But anyway, and our risk reward ratio entry time gonna be 09.55. Yeah, it's around 10-ish right there. Wow, look at that. One to 5. So yeah, the trade worked out very fast, just 2 candles, 10 minutes, we get out. V2 version. Right, we already do. We just redo that to adjust the target. So we make that straight, and then we make this straight, the short straight right here. The short straight we make right here at 10:05. So let's see what we have. 10:05. That's the here's a short trade right there. 10:05. So basically, it's a real breakout. This is the level of breakout level, and it's really breakout. It just retest and break out again. So if we look on from that perspective, is this level going to be a real breakout right there? And it have a set of confluence with ICT concept, which is this a bearish breaker. When the market moving down, then the low become a bearish breaker. It's going to retest that low and continue to go down right there. So when the market moving down, you want that it stay below the low. Or I think it's below the high. Yeah, below this high, make a lower high, low high. So basically, this is the breaker and failure gap retest right there. And this is bearish breaker. You see the failure gap and a retest right there. So if we are experiencing enough, we can take two trade right there. As soon as we exit our long trade and hit our target right there at 5:10:40, we enter the short trade right there on this candle, because it's the perfect setup right here. Breaker, failure gap retest, and the time is about right there, 10ish right there. And we have a huge risk reward. We just aim at this level, but if we let it run the whole day, it's sell off. So it's perfect entry right there. 1 to 12 risk reward ratio. As soon as we saw this open above this level, we put in the sell stop, and it will carry us into the trade right there. Yeah, carry it into the trade there. But anyway, we mix this, we will journal this, so next time we will catch them. So basically, we are give ourselves a room to grow, room to make errors. If we win the trade, we journal, next time we repeat that. If we lost, we journal, next time we avoid. And if we mix, we also journal, document this, so next time we will not miss, we will catch it. So that's the whole idea right there. Practice every day. So yep, this is a beautiful setup at 10:05 for short right there. Take a long on retracement and then short. And we target right there for a short trade, but if we let it run, we have a huge gain right there. Right, if we just aim for just the high of this, we just reached 8 cents. By the way, we saw that the entry is about right in the macro from ICT right there, 10:15 to what, this one, yeah, 10:05, which is fall into the second macro right there from 9:50 to 10. for 30 minutes or 10 right there. So if we reach only 8 cents. Look at that. And we am right here, right? But if we let it run all the way to this level, we get $4.61. That's the huge run for it right there. Or let's say we want to reach a little bit more, right? Let's say we want to reach up here, 32 cents. We still have a big wing right there with 32 to 1 cent. Basically we put a set stop right here, and look at that, 31, and we get $4.60. So it's 10 times. Yeah, 1 to 10, 1 to 11, 11 is 33. It's more than, let's do a quick math right here. So it's $4.61 divided by 31. So 14 ratio right there. And this level is 505.76. Oh man, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, you see this level we mark it out, it reached that level exactly. Look at that. You see the range between these two weak, very weak, candle level right there. That's the level that it reached that level. Oh, see that? Wow. But however, this level is important right there. It did not close below that. Let's see how it play out tomorrow. 76 right here. Yep. Alright, so far we have 2 setup, right? One long right here for retracement and short all the way, and right here we have another setup. But by the way, before we go to this setup, we did take a trade right here. We take a long trade after we saw this break this level, and we thought that it's gonna be full breakout. So we wait this guy open 87, right? Just 1 cent above the 86 level. Want to go in, we put a buy stop, and it carried into the trade, and then it have a little bit retracement right here. We still cool with that, and then boom, right here is in the real time it go a big up close candle. We move our stop loss to right there, and I think we move our stop loss just right here, and then it moving down, it stop us out. So good, we have a break even trade right here. Yeah, actually we get 15 cents. It's 1.5 hour, right? Here's the trade that we took. Did we take the screenshot? I think so. Let's see. We go in at 14:05. Hold on, where is our? We do have it. So where is that right now? Okay, right here. It's very. Yep, it's right here. We take the string chart in real time. So basically, you see that? So it looks like a 4 breakout. That's what we try to take advantage of that. And we reach only 25 cents, and we take M right here. Stop loss the target is right there. So 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, which is M right there. However, it did not reach this level, but it did hit this breaker right there. And we get out. We get 15 cents. So it's about half an hour, right? So 1 hour 25, so half an hour. So we had half an hour for today. So that's the trade we take for today. Let's see if we can sell the trade. Yeah, we sold the trade, but for some reason it's not sold the trade. Earlier it had, but let's see. Yeah, for some reason it's not showing. Do we show the trade? Turn it off. Let's turn it on again. Yeah, it's not showing. Sometimes it malfunction. But anyway, we took a long trade right there, and we exit on this candle, and we had half an hour. 15 cents. Very, very humble. But anyway, I think we missed a trade right here. A beautiful long right here. This is a breakout, right? We identify the breakout level. See that? It break out that level and it create a 4 breaks out, and you see the quick reaction, and then boom, it retests that. So we either enter right here with a stop order or limit order right here. We'll put an entry right here, and let's see how much we reach. And then we're gonna put down here, right? So as soon as we see open down here, put a buy stop right here. You carry to a trade, it retests. We have to give it time to retest. It's okay. We don't have to get panic when it retests. And we're gonna aim at this level, the breaker right here. Last time it tests right there. See that? And we get, 1 to 5 ratio right there. So we can enter right here at 30 exactly. That's the time window that we target right there. So right here, it's just it gives us 4 breakout. Long setup, that's it. And the time is very critical, right? Time and price. 30 minutes, last 30 minutes, you're gonna do a short switch right there. And we put in a buy stop at 5:05:30. Then our entry time gonna be 15:30 exactly right there. And stay with the trade. Don't move stop loss. Yes, just stay right there. And after 6 candle, we can move stop loss. If we move stop loss too early, we may have kick out right there. If we move stop loss to break even, we got kick out of that, and then we feel very frustrated because we got stop out, and then the market moves to the direction that we anticipate. But sometimes don't move stop loss too quickly. Yeah, we have 1 to 4 ratio or 1 to 5 right there. That's a huge trade right there. Oh, we can entry at 1040. So we put a buy limit. Basically, you have two ways to under, right? Buy limit at 5 or 530. Then the entry time gonna be at 1540. Right there. Man, right there, you see the beautiful setup, just right there. Just patient, wait for the setup and wait for the time align, Last 30-minute run, beautiful right there. So this is a setup, and you see the breakout level right there. Put a buy stop right there, or limit order right here. And stop loss at the low of this one, which will reach 37 cents, and we can $2 something. It's 1 to 5 ratio right there. And this one is a 4 breakout. Long setup. Entry time is 1530. Perfect time window. Targets right there. Yeah, 4 breakout. Alright, I think we wrap up our end of day review for today now. By the way, before we wrap it up, we want to show something real quick. It's very interesting about a quarterly theory right here. So basically right here, so we have a quarter 1, quarter 2, and then boom, the huge quarter 3 right here moving down. So we see the pattern right there, and the next 2 quarters start in the PM, right? Quarter 1 in the PM is just consolidate, and this one is manipulation right here. It rate the buy sell liquidity, and then it put out, it gives us the gap right there, the favor gap right there, and this retest going down, and it retest one more time at this so-called breaker, right? Bearish breaker, you see the favor gap underneath there, it retests that bearish breaker and favor gap, and boom, it going down. So it gives us a signal that it can come down, but at that moment we couldn't read the market the way we read right now. So it's in hindsight right there. So we keep practicing until we perfect this in sync with the market right there. But the thing we want to show right here, so that measure this huge move from the Q4, no, Q3 right there, it's the Q3 right. So after the huge down move Q3, we see the next 2 quarter is gonna be a Q4 or Q4 right here. It's the Q4 right there, and the Q1. We can see this is a consolidation, and it make another move, and we see that it's measure move right here. It make symmetric move down move right here. See that? Last move. The move for this Q is pretty much the same length of the Q3 right here. The Q2 right there. So the Q2 for the PM, exactly the same, the length. So this Q is just consolidation, manipulation, and distribution right there. That's the idea. Alright, that's what one thing we learned to point out right there. And okay, that's the measurable. One last thing we want to take a look is the 1 hour time frame before we wrap it up right here. So we see the range right here. Last time it break out to the upside, and now it's retest the low of this range right here. So it will be let's see how it play out tomorrow. But if break out this range to the downside and retest them, then we're gonna short them. That's our anticipation right there. Because we already have this range for a week. It break to the upside to trap the sell side liquidity, and it's that it rate the buy side, and now it's gonna come down and rate the sell side. Because it built right here, you see the huge liquidity run is gonna rate all the sell side right out here. Alright, we think that's it for now. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love. Our success is coming to our way. Bye for now, and have a great evening.